there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and this video discusses more about variables. If you remember the last video, we talked about variables represent memory locations. This video we will talk about why do we say that variables represent memory locations. Now before I go ahead and explain you about in the programming world, let's discuss a scenario. Say me and my friend decide to meet at a place, and that place is maybe Gateway of India in Mumbai. Now I know the address and my friend says, okay, give me the address or send me the address so that I also reach at the time that we are meeting. Fine, I said the address is as follows: 78 degrees north, 93 degrees east and 50 degrees west. And my friend is like, huh? So I say yes, but am I logically not correct? I am, right? Because every address that you have in this world can be represented on a map geographically using latitude and longitude. But definitely, we as humans aren't comfortable talking in those language. We are comfortable talking in more human-like language. Now when I say, okay, fine, we are meeting at Gateway of India, Mumbai, which is near CST station or blah blah blah, whatever the address is, in an English-like language, then she is like, wow, now I understand, Shalini, I'll reach there. Exactly. So we humans are more close to the human-like language that we talk about. Same way, in the programming world, whenever you say data, now we say that variables store data and they store in a memory. Suppose I have a data which has a value 20. Now this box, assume it represents a memory. And of course it has an address, because if something is stored, it has to be located. It has an address. Now if you see this address, it is in terms of some 1C blah blah whatever it is. It's an hexadecimal value. Now computers understand binaries or hexadecimals, which we as human beings aren't convenient to talk to. Then to represent this memory address, so if suppose someone asks me, okay, 20 is stored where? It's not convenient when I say 1B, C, 2, 3, 4. It's more convenient when I say that this value is stored in a variable that is num1. That's why we say that variables represent memory locations. Now in Java, we have various types of variables. Now when we talk about variables in Java, we have local variables, we have instance variables, and we have class variables, or also called as static variables. Don't worry about these terms, local variables, instance variables, static variables. As we move ahead into Java, in the advanced programming of Java, we will be covering all these concepts about all the types of variables. But make sure you remember that these are three types of variables, and the definitions you can just read it. I'm not reading those definitions. So with this, we come to an end of this video understanding what are variables and the types of variables in Java. The next video, we will be talking about the rules of creating variables. We'll see some examples and a demo as well. So thanks for watching. Happy learning. Take care and bye-bye.